Hello friends! Upgrade your keyboard with the YMDK 127 Ultra Thin PBT Keycap set, designed for comfort, style, and long-lasting performance. Each keycap features an ergonomic, gently tilted surface that reduces strain, making long typing sessions smoother and more comfortable. The ultra-thin, low-profile design gives your keyboard a sleek and modern look, perfect for minimalist setups. Compatible with MX switches and a wide range of low-profile keyboards, including 61, 64, 75, 87, 96, and 104 key layouts. Side-printed, dye-sublimated legends stay sharp and never fade, delivering clean, professional-looking keycaps that stand the test of time. Crafted from durable PBT, these keycaps resist shine, maintain texture, and offer a premium feel with every keystroke.